Hi, Lily. This is Lily. She's got her hair grown in now. See, it's dark on the back. Hi, Lily. Hi. Yeah, that's where she had her wounds on her back, but the hair's grown in a different color. She's gained a little bit of weight. Hey, how you doing? Hey, come on. Howdy. Lily, Lily, Lily. Hi, Lily. Hi, Lily. Hi. This is Lily. Doing great with the other dogs. Aren't you? I think she's around 5. Maybe 5 or 6. Hi. Hi, Lily. Oh, silly girl. Oh. 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 Who's that, Pignon? You go see. Go see Lily. Go see Lily. Oh.